let us start our topic. This is lecture series about strategically important topics of international relations, political science, global strategic studies, global affairs, law, and general knowledge of the world. Lectures can be helpful for study of A and O level, undergraduate, graduate, bachelor's, LLB, BS, masters in world universities, and also for competitive examinations of world. Please subscribe and share with other students or your friends. Thanks. Today's topic is very important topic of LLB and law and competitive examinations, and also for general knowledge. What are the main kinds of law? Before describing the kinds of law, it is essential to know the term law. A law is a general rule of external action enforced by a sovereign political authority or a state. Law is general rule meant for all and not for any particular individual or class. It is applicable to all, irrespective of race, creed, color, religion. It regulates external conduct of the people and has nothing to do with their thoughts and desires. It is enforceable by the state machinery of justice. Every state makes and enforces law to bring discipline in the society, so the members or citizens of the peoples of the society can progress socially and develop economically and achieve security for future generations. Disobedience of state laws invites penalty. Law provides a framework for the protection of fundamental human rights essential for development. Law is a system of rules and guidelines which are enforced through social institutions to govern behavior. It shapes politics, economics, and society in numerous ways and serves as a social mediator of relations between people. The basic aim of law of states are the preservation and protection of territorial integrity and ideological frontiers, preservation and maintenance of law and order, and administration of justice within the state. Within the state, the term law is derived from the German word meaning fixed or evenly or stationary or uniform. In political and legal terminology, the term law implies or means rules and regulations enforced by the state. In every modern civilized country or state, there are certain tenets or rules to govern or regulate the conduct and behavior of its inhabitants or citizens or people. The objective of law is to bring order in the society so that members of society can progress and develop with some sort of security regarding the future. Now, below mentioned are the main kinds of law. Number 1, national or municipal law. Political or positive laws are made by the state are called national laws, also called municipal laws. All kinds of laws except international law are included in it. Law is further divided into constitutional law and ordinary law. Constitutional law is the body of law which determines and regulates the powers and functions of various organs of state, that is legislature, bureaucracy, judiciary and others. The relations between the governor and the governed means the citizen or government, and their rights. These may be written or unwritten. Number 2, ordinary laws. All national laws except constitutional laws are ordinary laws. The state is both the child and parent of law. Law is the child of constitutional law and the parents of ordinary law. Ordinary law defines and regulates the relations between private citizens or between a citizen and a public body or organ of state. Courts recognize only ordinary laws and enforce it. Courts recognize only ordinary laws and enforce it in their decisions. Ordinary law is divided into public and private law. Public law includes all the laws that regulates the relations between the state and its departments. It protects the rights of the citizens against the organs of state. Public law is divided into administrative and general law. Administrative law or right administrative in some states, like in France, is special laws and courts to try the offences of the state officials which they have committed in the discharge of their official duties. Private laws regulates the relations among private citizens. Private law defines their rights and duties. The state creates this law and guarantees and protects life, property and honor of its citizens. Private law consists of civil law and its various branches, like the law of inheritance, transfer of property, contract, torts, civil procedure, etc. General law determines the relations of private citizens to the state. General law is further divided into criminal law and criminal procedure. Laws can also be classified according to their contents or rights. Law create, define and describe rights are called substantive law. Criminal and civil laws which provide a method of protecting rights are called procedural or adjective laws, such as criminal and civil procedure codes. Number 3, criminal law and procedure. The state maintains peace, harmony and order as its primary duty and function. Any attack on life, liberty and property of any citizen is regarded by state as an attack on itself. Such an attack or violation of rights of the citizen is called an offence or crime against the state. The laws which prohibit such violations of peace and order and punish the crimes and offences constitute the criminal law. The method by which the state brings the offenders to book or punish is called the criminal procedure. Number 4, civil laws and procedure. Civil laws describes and protects the civil rights, such as regarding property, debts, private life, inheritance. Civil procedure lays down the method or procedure by which civil rights can be protected by state. Statute laws are enacted by legislature. International law regulates interstate dealing in global system. It is body of principles and rules recognized as binding by the civilized states in their relation with one another. The successful implementation of international law is essential for global peace and tranquility. This is the classification of law. The main is law, and it is divided into national laws or municipal laws. International law, municipal law or municipal law is further divided into public law and private law. Public law is further divided into constitutional law, administrative law, criminal law. Wish you good luck. Take care of yourself and others. See you in next lecture. Okay, goodbye.